Have you ever been told you look tired or asked if you didn't sleep well last night? A restless night, a late evening out, or an early morning alarm can all leave visible signs on your face. But what if your sleep could double as a beauty treatment? Whether you're dealing with breakouts, dryness, or dullness, the secret to waking up with radiant, refreshed skin might just be an overnight face mask. Nighttime is when your skin goes into repair mode, working hard to undo the damage caused by sun exposure, pollution, and daily stress. That's why a solid bedtime skincare routine is essential. It's not just about washing off the day, it's about giving your skin what it needs to heal, renew, and glow. While eye creams, moisturizers, and serums are excellent additions to your nighttime routine, adding an overnight face mask can truly elevate your skincare game. These masks are specially designed to work in sync with your skin's natural repair process while you sleep, essentially giving you a facial overnight. Imagine waking up with skin that feels refreshed, revitalized, and radiantly healthy. In today's video, we're exploring simple, homemade overnight mask that will help you make the most of your beauty sleep. So, what exactly is an overnight face mask? It's a skincare treatment that you apply before going to bed, and it works its magic while you sleep. As we mentioned, our skin enters a repair and renewal mode during sleep, unlike traditional face masks that are washed off after just a few minutes. A sleep mask remains on your skin for an extended period, allowing for maximum absorption of beneficial ingredients and providing profound benefits. If your goal is to wake up to smoother, brighter, and more hydrated skin, an overnight mask could be a true game changer in your routine. Some of these homemade masks can get a little messy. To protect your favorite pillowcases and sheets, it's a good idea to use an old, dark-colored pillowcase or lay a towel over your pillow on nights you use these masks. Now, if you're ready to try some DIY magic, we have you a wonderful recipe using natural ingredients you might already have at home. For those struggling with acne, we have the green tea overnight face mask. Did you know that potato juice is a potent anti-inflammatory ingredient? It's packed with vitamins A, B, and C, which can help address a variety of skin concerns, from blemishes and pigmentation to scars. Paired with green tea, a true skin superstar, this mask is a powerful acne fighter. Green tea is loaded with antioxidants and catechins, which have antibacterial properties. One of green tea's most powerful antioxidants, EGCG, is known to help repair DNA damage caused by UV exposure, which can prevent skin cancer and combat aging. It also boasts anti-inflammatory effects, proving effective for conditions like rosacea and atopic dermatitis. Plus, green tea helps regulate oil, reducing sebum production. For this mask, you'll need 1 tablespoon of raw potato juice, 1 tablespoon of cooled green tea. To make and use it, first, take a clean, washed potato and juice it to extract 1 tablespoon of juice. Next, steep 2 bags of green tea in 1 cup of hot water for about 10 minutes. Then set it aside to cool completely. Once the tea has cooled, combine 1 tablespoon of it with the potato juice, dip a cotton pad or a reusable cleansing pad into the solution and apply it to your clean face. Take your time to cover any clogged areas or blemishes thoroughly. Leave it on overnight. Wearing this healing mask all night gives your skin the chance to heal and repair cells, balance oil production, and expel impurities. It harnesses the anti-inflammatory power of potato juice and the rich antioxidants and acne-fighting antibacterial agents in green tea. The vitamin C in green tea also helps maintain collagen levels, adding to its anti-aging benefits. Let me know how this night mask works with you in the comment section. Thank you and see you in the next video.